Dark circles under the eyes can make anyone look tired, stressed, or older than they really are, whether caused by genetics, lack of sleep, or environmental factors. Finding an effective eye cream that targets pigmentation and improves skin texture is essential. Today, we're sharing the best dark circle eye creams 1 to 5 that combine powerful ingredients and gentle formulas to brighten, hydrate, and rejuvenate your under-eye area. From La Roche-Posay's targeted pigmentation care to Olay's brightening technology, these creams offer reliable solutions to help you look refreshed and radiant. Kicking off our list at number 1, La Roche-Posay Pigmentclar. The La Roche-Posay Pigmentclar Eyes is a specialist dark circle eye cream designed to visibly reduce pigmentation and brighten the under-eye area. It's crafted specifically for sensitive skin around the eyes, offering both efficacy and gentleness in one formula. Key features: this cream combines frisorcinol, caffeine, and niacinamide. Frisorcinol works to lighten pigmentation and reduce discoloration. Caffeine helps to puff and energize tired eyes, while niacinamide soothes and strengthens the skin barrier. The fragrance-free, dermatologist-tested formula is ideal for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Benefits and usage: regular use results in a significant decrease in dark circles and improved skin brightness. It also helps reduce puffiness and smooth fine lines, giving eyes a more youthful and refreshed look. Apply a small amount gently around the eye contour every morning and evening, using your ring finger for best absorption and care. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy texture absorbs quickly without leaving residue, making it perfect for use under makeup or alone. It's easy to incorporate into both morning and nighttime skincare routines due to its soothing and non-irritating formula. Durability: packaged in a hygienic 15 milliliters tube. It lasts several months with daily use, offering long-term benefits and a good price-to-performance ratio. We have RoC Retinol Correxion. The RoC Retinol Correxion eye cream is a powerful anti-aging treatment that targets dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness by leveraging the proven benefits of retinol in a gentle eye-specific formulation. Key features: it contains pure RoC retinol, known for stimulating collagen production and accelerating skin renewal, along with essential minerals and hydrating agents. The formula is non-comedogenic and ophthalmologist tested to ensure safety for delicate eye areas. Benefits and usage: this eye cream helps fade dark circles by promoting cell turnover, visibly smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. The retinol also boosts firmness and improves skin texture. Use nightly by applying a small amount around the eyes, starting with every other night to build tolerance. Consistent use leads to brighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking eyes. Usability: the cream is rich but absorbs well, though some users may experience mild dryness initially due to retinol. It's advisable to pair with a gentle moisturizer. It's scent-free. Dermatologist-tested nature suits sensitive skin, and it layers well. Under makeup. Durability: the 15 milliliters jar offers lasting use, especially with the recommended gradual application. This product provides excellent value for those seeking visible anti-aging and dark circle correction. In at number 3 is the Clinique Clinique Even Better Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. Is formulated to visibly reduce the appearance of dark circles and improve under-eye brightness with gentle but effective ingredients suitable for sensitive skin. Key features: the formula features ingredients like caffeine to reduce puffiness, peptides to strengthen skin and improve texture, and light-reflecting mica particles to instantly brighten the under-eye area. It is allergy-tested, fragrance-free, and dermatologist-approved. Benefits and usage: it visibly diminishes dark circles and smooths fine lines, while providing hydration and a subtle instant glow. The cream also improves skin resilience over time, reducing discoloration caused by thinning skin or pigmentation. Apply a small amount twice daily, gently tapping around the eye contour to promote circulation and absorption. Usability. The lightweight gel cream texture absorbs quickly and is perfect for layering under makeup or sunscreen. Its non-greasy feel makes it comfortable for daily use, including for contact lens wearers or those with sensitive skin. Durability. Packaged in a convenient 15 milliliters tube with a precise applicator tip. It lasts 2 to 3 months with daily use, making it a reliable investment for ongoing eye care. Taking our 4th spot is CeraVe Eye Repair. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is a hydrating and restorative eye treatment designed to improve dark circles, puffiness, and dryness by supporting the skin's natural barrier with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Key features. This fragrance-free, non-comedogenic formula contains ceramides to restore and maintain the protective skin barrier, hyaluronic acid to retain moisture, and niacinamide to soothe and brighten skin. It's developed with dermatologists and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. The cream effectively reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness by strengthening the skin and enhancing hydration, leading to a smoother and more radiant under-eye area. Use twice daily, applying a pea-sized amount gently around the eyes to avoid irritation. Usability. The rich yet fast-absorbing formula works well under makeup and is non-irritating, even for sensitive or allergy-prone skin. Its gentle but effective ingredients make it a versatile choice for daily use and layering with other skincare products. Durability. The 14 milliliters jar offers good longevity, lasting several months with consistent use, making it a cost-effective option for comprehensive eye care. Finally, at number 5, we have Olay Eyes Brightening. Olay Eyes Brightening Eye Cream is designed to reduce dark circles and illuminate the under-eye area with its blend of vitamins and light-reflecting ingredients in a creamy, hydrating formula. Key features. The cream features vitamins B3 and C, known for their brightening and antioxidant properties, as well as light diffusing particles to instantly enhance radiance. The fragrance-free formula is suitable for sensitive skin and safe for daily use. Benefits and usage. This eye cream helps fade stubborn dark circles over time, while providing immediate brightening effects to reduce the look of tiredness. It hydrates and smooths fine lines, leaving eyes refreshed and awake. Apply morning and night by gently patting around the eye area with your ring finger for optimal absorption. Usability. The creamy, lightweight texture absorbs easily and layers well with makeup. It's gentle enough for sensitive eyes and does not cause irritation or greasiness, making it a versatile choice for daily skincare routines. Durability. The 15 milliliters tube offers extended use with regular application, making it a reliable product for ongoing eye brightening and care. Oils can be challenging to manage, but with the right eye cream, you can brighten and refresh your under-eye area effectively. The best dark circle eye creams. 1 to 5 shared today offer a range of targeted benefits from pigmentation correction to hydration and anti-aging. Whether you prefer the potent retinol power of RoC or the soothing barrier support of CeraVe, these creams are designed to help you look well-rested and radiant. Remember, consistency is key. Try one of these trusted products to brighten your eyes and boost your confidence daily.